Introduction to AI-powered task prioritization.
AI project management apps help you organize and prioritize tasks more efficiently. By using artificial intelligence, these tools can analyze your workload and automatically sort your to-do list based on urgency, deadlines, and importance. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up automated rules so you can focus on high-impact work without manually reordering tasks every day.
Choosing the right app for automation.
Start by selecting a task management app with built-in AI features. Popular options include Asana, ClickUp, and Monday.com. Look for features like smart suggestions, AI-based sorting, and rule automation. Before you proceed, make sure your chosen app supports workflow automations and allows you to set custom rules to match your team's needs.
Configuring automated prioritization rules.
Within your app, navigate to Automation or AI settings. Create rules that assign priority levels based on specific triggers, such as approaching deadlines, task dependencies, or labels like urgent. For example, you can set a rule to move any task due within 48 hours to the top of your list, or automatically tag high-priority items.
Enhancing rules with AI recommendations.
Many project management apps offer AI-powered suggestions to refine your prioritization. Enable these features to let the system analyze historical data, workload, and deadlines. The app can then recommend changes, like splitting large tasks or rescheduling items to optimize your schedule. Regularly review these suggestions to fine-tune your prioritization process.
Staying productive with automated prioritization.
Once your rules are set up, let automation handle the sorting and focus on completing your most important tasks. Review your prioritized list daily and adjust rules if your workflow changes. Automated prioritization saves time and ensures nothing critical gets overlooked, helping you and your team stay on track in a busy project environment.